In the heart of industrial spaces, where the sparks fly and metal transforms, there's an invisible threat lurking in the air, harmful welding fumes. But fear not, for Legend APC brings you the solution, the Portable Fume Extractor. The Legend Portable Fume Extractor comes standard with our premium 4 or 6-inch diameter standing fume arm. It features a full 360 degrees of rotation. Locking mechanisms allow you to easily position the arm, and it stays where you put it. The extractor comes with a 1.5 horsepower fan delivering 1200 CFM of fume collecting power. It comes in 3 variations to fit all your welding needs. The standard model comes with a replaceable 184 square foot cellulose polyester cartridge filter. The self-cleaning model uses compressed air to clean the filter, dramatically extending its service life. The HEPA model also has compressed air cleaning but has an added HEPA filter, making it the perfect option when welding stainless steel or other harmful contaminants. Say goodbye to the hazards of welding fumes and hello to a safer, more productive workspace with Legend APC's Portable Fume Extractor. Legend APC, protecting your health, empowering your work.